all, welcome back to my channel. And for all those who don't know me, hi, my name is Shruti and this is my YouTube channel Girly Hack by Shruti Verma. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove background from pictures without Photoshop. But before moving on to the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified every time I post a video. So normally people use software like Photoshop to remove background from their photos, but most of the time we don't have that much time to invest in a photo, or sometimes people may just not have skill to use a software like Photoshop. But luckily for you guys, I found a website that lets you remove the background from your photographs in just 5 seconds. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So for removing background from your photos, you first need to go to Google and type in remove.bg, and this will open up the website. And this is what the website look like, you guys. It's called remove.bg and it is absolutely free, and it also claims that it will automatically remove the background from your image within 5 seconds with 0 click. And if you scroll to the bottom of the website, you will see some demo images. On the left they have showed the image with the background, and on the right they have showed some images without the background. And if you want to see more samples of picture, click on see more samples. If you like, you can also click on the center button to scroll the background from left to right to see the effect with the background and without background. They have showed different pictures with animals, car, human beings, logos, etc. so that you people can have an idea that how this website works. Now press the back button to go on the main page. Here you can see a button of upload image. Click on that and select an image of your choice from your gallery. So I am going for this picture of mine because I feel like this picture is pretty nice, but the background is not so flattering. So select the image and it has started its process, and within 5 seconds it gave us an image without background. As you can see guys, that it did its job pretty good, and you can now download the image. But if you want to edit anything else in the picture, just click edit on the top right corner of the image. The image will open up into a new tab, and here you can see two options. One is background and the other is erase and store. So first let's see what the background tab does. If you want to give your background any solid color, click on any of your favorite color you like. And if you don't like any solid color, you can easily switch to different background option that the website has provided. You just need to take care that the color of your background matches with your photo. I think this PG is pretty nice and it also matches with the color of my photo, so I am going for this one. They have also given blur option for your selected BG, so if you want to add blur to your BG, just select how much intensity you want. They have given 3 intensity option for blurring the image. Coming to the second tab, erase and restore option, set the brush size and start painting areas that you don't want in your photos. Here you can see that I am doing it very rough, but you can do it precisely according to your need. Undo and redo option is also there on the top, and later you can also restore the erased part if you feel like. And there you go guys, your picture is ready with a brand new background. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video of removing background from your photos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, tata.